Let's unbox these beautiful dials together. I just received this beautiful set of 8 back, and we're going to have a close look at each of these beauties, starting off with the Blue King Seiko with the day date. Quite happy with this work. The fonts are beautiful, especially the serial number across the bottom of the dial. I like how the logos are pressed down nice and flat. This is good quality work. The second dial, this is a banana leaf inspiration. And what I've done is I've put a little bit of yellow in the middle and a little bit of green on the right and the left sides, giving it an organic look. This is brushed up and down as opposed to radially. That's a hard word to say. Then we've got the tree leaf green. This is a beauty. This is a real beautiful color with the radial sunburst that you can see working around there. Again, very clean work, very beautiful work. And you might be curious, what does it look like on the back of these dials? Well, they should have 2 feet, and there's going to be a little bit of glue around these holes right here. And some people use glue, some people use epoxy, some people use UV glue, some people use a clear coat that you would put on fingernails. I've seen it done many ways. Then we've got this one that I was inspired by a Seiko Lordmatic actually, and I do forget the reference. I should blow this dial off. But this is similar to the banana leaf with that vertical brushing right there, that vignette coming in from the edges to the center, another beauty. Then we've got this darker blue right here, and this has the black inlay on the hour markers around and the black inlay on the hands. This is going to be a very beautiful King Seiko. The next one we have for viewing here is another blue dial with the day date. Very happy with this quality. And I'm also looking at that date window, and I notice it's pressed back in nice and flat as well. And that is definitely a sign of an experienced painter. Then we've got this beautiful plum red. Gorgeous color. Again, forgive me for the dust. I'm just having a look at these. Beautiful work here. Absolutely. Look at the serial number across the bottom. Not only is it correct to the model, it's just absolutely gorgeous. What a nice dial here. And then we've got the classic, one of my signatures here, the pink salmon. Here's a touch of orange on that dial as well. It's a unique color, a bit hard to classify. Again, this is the 5626. And one thing I like to do, just a little aside, whenever I get these dials, I always have a look at the backs of them. And you can see here, all of these hour markers are secured with just a touch of some sort of adhesive. And that's exactly what we're looking for. Any questions about these beauties or comments, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks.